Okay, we're back again to tutorial guys. Today in this video we're about to make a Dennis Rodman vintage design style that really match for a t-shirt.
And here's the sneak peek of the design that I placed it at the t-shirt.
Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first thing first, you place the image and you can do magic wand tool. You can select subject, and then after you selecting the subject, you select to the layer mask to delete all everything, and then you choose the object selection tool, choose the object of the person, and then after you selecting, you can use the brush tool to deleting all the subject. Press Ctrl D to deselect the selection, and then you can place it the design whatever you like. After that, you can place another image, use again magic wand tool, go to select subjects. After select subjects, please click press the select layer mask to delete the background. After deleting, you can click the layer mask, go to press B, choose the soft round brush to deleting, and then you can delete smoothly of the body to make it more smoother. Add another design, press W to magic wand, and then press select subject, press the layer mask to delete the background, and then boom, you delete the background. Press again using the brush tool and the layer mask to delete some object, and then you can press this control, and I don't know what this is called, and it's on your keyboard to make your layer go up or go down. So you press this control and this, and you can make your layer, you can arrange your layer where should go to bottom, where should go to the top, and like that. And then you can press T at the keyboard and then click it at the canvas to make it appear for the text. And you can choose the font for white Latin, change it first name to the Dennis. You can also click shift, click press shift to make it stretch of the tag, and you can do it like this, and then press it, adding some blending option, go to bevel and emboss. You can follow along my setting to make a 3D text style. So that you can click at the text and press Alt at the keyboard plus click, and then you can drag it. You can drag it to copy the text, and then you can change it to Rodman. After that, to make the text more curvy, to look more curvy, you can go to the text tool, and then after you go to the text tool, you can choose here logo and choose it and change it to the R upper, and then you can drag it to move it over and over here, and then you can change the setting which you like, and I'm gonna go this setting, or you can follow along my settings. Press Alt at the keyboard for the layer right here, and then click it and drag it to the top to make the copy of the layer. Use the layer mask to delete it. Use the layer mask and brush with the color black to delete it like this. So uh it will make a design that look like the text is above. The text is below of the object. You can go like this, and then you can copy again the other photo, use it and delete it, use a layer mask, and it will make the design look like this. You can also add in the logo to make it more color for the design. Adding another image of the Dennis Rodman right there, and you can place it like the others like this to make it more color. And then you can also deleting the side of the image to make it more look like a gradation with the black, to make it more soft with the with the with the design for the picture. To the bottom, to the layer, adding a new layer, and then you can use a brush, and here I use a cloth brush. You can draw it with the black color to make back of the design look with the red like this, and you can use it with the brush. And you can change it, the color of the skin, or maybe you can also adding the outer glow for making the design more glowy. You can use here like this, like the glowing like this. You can change it, the color of the glowy, by adding the blending option. Pick the outer glow, make it red look like this, and then you can also change it, the skin color, using a selective color. And don't forget also click for the clipping mask by pressing the alt plus click at the keyboard. Then you can change it like this. It will go, looks like pink, or maybe a bright pink skin color. It will look like the design or the color for the Dennis Rodman on the left, the top. You can use it for everything, and you can change the outer glow to the and here you can add everything of the objects with the outer glow to make it more glowy with the pink color. And I think I changed it my mind, and I deleting all the selective color for the skin, and I'll go with the original skin color. And then whatever you like, you can change the color, you can change the layout, and you can do whatever you want with your design. I think I prefer the design look this way with not changing the color of the skin. I think that's it all for the design tutorial. Here's the result that really match for t-shirt design with the vintage style. I think that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope the video is helpful for you to learn the design. You can catch me up at my Instagram at lactea.dsg. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time.